Hi everyone, good morning. Um, we have like a free makeup, and today's the last day for CVS. I'm sharing this for all my friends here in US and sa akong mga friends sa Philippines. Thank you for watching, and maybe someday I can give you these lipsticks, guys. Anyway, so CVS is having a deal on Wet and Wild. Spend 8 and you get $5 back. And we don't have any coupon. Usually, if there's a holiday, we don't receive any coupon that week. So it was holiday Monday, means no coupon for the whole week. So spend $8, get 5 back. So it's like spending $3. And if you are a card member at CVS, there is a $3 off. So that makes it free. So I'll show you the prices. That is the Wet n Wild, $179 for the lipstick, and the other one is $5.29. And I had a separate receipt for the other one, $1.79. So that is over $8. And this is the money that we get back. See, I got $5 back for spending 8 on Wet and Wild. So there you go. That's free for me since I have a $3 off from CVS. The next deal is on ALMAY lipstick. It's the deal this week. Of course, it will end today, as I've said, is buy 2 and you get $4 back. So the cheapest, of course, as a couponer, we have to look for the cheapest one so we don't spend more money out of pocket. So these are the lipsticks I got. That is $7.99 each. 7.99. So that's a total of 15. And as you can see, guys, I have $6 coupon, ALMAY Cosmetics, and another $4, and that's a total of 10. Okay, so see how I only paid 6 cents for 4 items. Okay, so this is the $4 I received from spending 12 on ALMAY Cosmetics. So if you'll check my receipt, I paid 6 cents on 4 items, and we have a savings of 100%. Savings value 100%. It's like we paid nothing. And my second receipt, of course, I only get 1, and I paid nothing, 0, but I got back $5. So it's like free plus they pay me. And the savings is 100%. Okay? So for those my friends who are in US, go grab your Wet n Wild and ALMAY if you like lipsticks. Or of course, we can save this for our friends, family members for Christmas. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!